name is Aristo, and I'm gonna play a couple songs for you. We've got two love songs, and then we've got a really depressing song. So, very mixed of emotions. So the first song is "Say Yes to Heaven" by Lana Del Rey. Thank you. Okay. So that was "Yes to Heaven" by Lana Del Rey, one of my favorite Lana songs. The next song I'm gonna do is a depressing one, unfortunately, but it's an original of mine, so it should be fun. was a depressing song over and done with. So the next song, this is my last song. It's called Sea of Love by Cat Power. It's another one of my favorite songs. It's very, very good. Do you remember when we met? That's the day I knew you were my pet. I wanna tell you how much I Come with me, my love, to the sea of love. I wanna tell you how much I love you. That's the end of my set. Thank you for watching, listening. I really appreciate it. And next we have Kira, and she's gonna play a few songs for us too.
I'm Paul Powers. I'm Level 2 Course Director here at the College of West Anglia. I look after computing Level 2 students. BTEC Level 2 in Information and Creative Technology entails 6 different units, one of which is Online World. We talk about the World Wide Web and the internet and the difference between the two. So we teach you all about security, how to stay safe online. We teach you about how signals run along the network. The course is assessed by using externally assessed exams, and there's 2 of those, one for Unit 1 and one for Unit 2. And then there's also 12 different assignments across the 4 remaining units. They're essentially made up of things like in-class presentations or written assessments, group work and individual work. So the students have to do 60 hours work experience. We try and place them with local employers within the same sort of industry that they're looking to go into.
My name is Nicholas Bloom and I'm on the Level 2 Computing course.
I am Ty O'Neill and I'm doing Level 2 Computing. I chose this specific course because I have an interest in digital media and graphics design. The thing I enjoy the most about college is the characters you meet on campus. I wish to do Level 3 Media after this course.
I've been enjoying interacting with the staff and using the facilities at hand. The facilities have been very helpful. The computers are very reliable. I'm hoping to get a placement at the hospital's IT department.
After completing the BTEC Level 2, students can then go on to do a Level 3 in Game Design and Development, or they can do a Level 3 in Computing. But those are both 2-year courses, and by completing those courses, that will give you enough UCAS points to go on to a university. Or you can go into a junior working role in either technical support or design. The kind of careers that this course will make you ready for include network administrator, social media manager, you could be a programmer, cybersecurity, you could work for the government defending the country from cyber attacks. As a student on the course, we have the latest devices, latest PCs, we have access to drawing tablets as well. We have high-tech computers with the latest graphics cards and processors. So if you're studying complex 3D graphics and animation, we have the hardware in stock that can help you to do that.
My name is Chris Stanhope and the course is Level 3 Games Design and Development. The course is equivalent to 3 A levels over 3 or 4 days a week for 2 years, and students will learn about the similarities and differences between the industries and the media, learn how to respond to commissions, create media campaigns, learn how to program and make games all the way from pre to post-production. Learn to 3D model, animate, create 3D environments. The difference between the games course and a normal computing course is that the focus is on games and media. There's going to be a lot of background theory to learn around the media industries and representations of the audiences, and then all of that is applied to making games. Whereas computing, you've got a very general kind of learning programming. Creative students will enjoy the course, as well as students who enjoy computer science, so programming and things like that, because the skills you'll learn will be broad spectrum. The entry requirements are 5 GCSEs at grade 4 or above. That's including English and maths, but if you don't get those entry requirements, then you could do a level 2 computing or any other level 2 at merit grade. Get the English or maths, then you're allowed on the course. A portfolio is also helpful, and it shows us that you're an independent learner and that you're really interested in the subject. The course is assessed through internal coursework and some externally assessed controlled assessments. So for example, it'll be a 20-hour period where you have to respond to a brief and make a game in that time. Students are expected to do 60 hours work experience, and we have been quite successful in the past with students going to print media businesses, working in VR arcades and other digital media as well. The facilities are very good. We've got 2 games labs. They're industry spec machines. We have industry standard software, and the rooms are available to be used outside of lesson time to allow students to actually make games and 3D model, which are quite time consuming. The software that we're currently using is Autodesk Maya for 3D modeling and 3D animation, and Unreal Engine 4 for games development and 3D environments, and Godot as well, which is a 2D engine. That's more of a year 1 introduction to game engines.
My name is Thomas Chappell and I'm doing level 3 computing / game design. I chose the college because they just had the most perfect course for what I wanted to do. What I want to do in the future is mainly level design, and I thought doing a game design course would help me kind of educate me on that, because I wasn't actually doing coding beforehand. So I thought I could learn that and learn in the design elements. The college just has such an amazing community, and everybody's doing something completely different that can kind of inspire you to what you want to do. The facilities are definitely outstanding. They have high-spec computers along with amazing monitors, and it's just an all-round amazing experience to be in. I feel like after college, I definitely would like to go to university and study further, and then hopefully get a job as a level designer. So the college is teaching me level design as well as coding, and I feel like I definitely need them sort of elements to be able to get to university.
Students can apply for university after finishing this course. This will allow them access to any games-related degree course. Could specialise in 3D modelling or animation, or games design, story development, or they could go into the more programming side. You can go into a more computer science route and software development, interior designs. So yeah, it's quite an open path that you can choose afterwards.
You're my diamond in the rough, darling, I bathe your skin. I even wash your clothes. Give me some candy before I go. Oh, darling, I kiss your eyes, lay down on your love. Give me some candy after my heart. Darling, I bathe your skin. I'll even wash your clothes. Give me some candy before I go. Oh, darling, I kiss your eyes, lay down on your arms. Just give me some candy after my heart. Oh, I'll be waiting for you. Oh, I'll be waiting for you. Oh, I'll be there waiting for you. Thank you. Okay. So this next one is Forget Her by Jeff Buckley. While this town is busy sleeping, and all the noise has died away, I'll walk the streets, stop my weeping. She'll never change her ways. Don't fool yourself. She was heartache from the moment that you met her. My heart is frozen still as I try to find a will to forget her somehow. Oh, I think I've forgotten her.